This is Snoop Dogg. Welcome to the Token Explorers channel. To Baldy Toke where no token has gone before. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. Peace, love, and light God.
Keep talking, roll it up again, let's keep it in motion. Big bus number 10, my shit be pro. Big buckets you can spend if you tryna hold. Big blunts full of kill, my shit be swole. Big trucks for the pickup, keep them loaded. Ain't enough weed if you do be folded. Got it on me and it already sold. Yeah, had it on me and it's already gone. Mike Shutter, we would like to take us to the dome. From the land to the show, getting P.O.D. From the can to the bowl, no sticks, no seeds. Not the half with the hoe, cause I'm tryna conceive it. On the back roll, on yes indeed. Now let's get lifted, drifted, keep the blunts twisted. Roll it so fast, so big, can't miss it. My slip so thick, might need assistance. Flick my big light up.
And lady smoker, gone. High off the doja. We all the way up in the zone. Gonna make them closer. And let me show you why. We elevate to the sky. We all the way loaded, we up in the clouds. We ain't coming down. We all the way loaded, we up in the clouds. We ain't coming down. We all the way loaded, we up in the clouds. We ain't coming down. We all the way loaded, we up in the clouds. We ain't coming down. Y'all niggas know me, number one cheap choker. Rolling up another one and hit it for the smokers. Spin it like Doja when I roll up, pull up, finna blow one, finna go up. Fully loaded like a pistol. If you want to smoke, it's not an issue. These are legends, know that it's official. Shit is so potent, feel it when it hit you. Get you higher. The mission is to get you higher. I'm gonna get you higher. Cause all we smoke is fire. Sativa to indica, it's for sure to relieve and get rid of your stress. Might make you stumble a little bit left. Might make you wonder just where you can get it. Gon' get you fucked up as soon as you hit it. Constantly buzzing, my shit is consistent. Niggas, they knew when they lit it that this is the business. I'm high right now as a witness. Clearly I stay high, I'm lifted up way high. You know we smoke, we blaze a lot. Roll up some more, I'm faded now. I'm the weed man. Just tell me what you want, I got whatever you need. In need, I'm the weed man. No sticks, no stems, no seeds. Boom. And lady smoker, gone. High off the doja. We all the way up in the zone. Gonna make them closer. And let me show you why. We elevate to the sky. We all the way loaded, we up in the clouds. We ain't coming down. We all the way loaded, we up in the clouds. We ain't coming down. We all the way loaded, we up in the clouds. We ain't coming down. We all the way loaded, we up in the clouds. We ain't coming down.
This is Snoop Dogg. Welcome to the Token Explorers channel. To Baldy Toke where no token has gone before. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. Peace, love, and light God.